Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you people how I achieve this on my client's hair. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Let's dive into the video. Now I use my crochet needle on this to poke the hair out, as you can see, gently by gently, and let's watch on how I poked this out on my client's head. As you can see, we are gently making our way with this crochet needle, poking the hair out gently. As we are doing it, we take our time and reposition our cap we put on our client's head. As I did it gently and I was almost done poking out the hair, I make sure that everywhere aligns before I apply my tint on my client's hair. This process, we take it gently. You don't have to rush the process. As a beginner trying to achieve my results, now I make sure that I comb through it, because remember, we are going to apply some tint on top of the cap. Then I make sure that I comb it thoroughly. After I make sure that it was combed, I start to apply my color. This is a light gold spray, so it won't shine that bright like gold, just a little bit. I make sure it enters throughout the hair gently. This process will ensure that our tint is mixed properly before applying it on our client's hairs. After we are done with this, we are going to take our comb to comb through the tint, making sure that the tint is in every part of the hair that we poke out from the cap, putting on our clients. After we are done applying the tint, I use my comb, carefully combing it and making sure that the tint is around the hair. Also guys, in this process, we take it gently. We do not rush chains. We do it by system work. Take it gently. Then after this process, I'm making sure everything is good. You cannot add your shower cap, and you can wait for about 20 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes to achieve the best results. Then after that, we head over to the shower and make sure that we wash out the tint so that we can get the color that we want from the hair. We take this process gently and make sure that we get the color we want. After that, when I dry the hair, I removed it gently and you can see the outcome of it. Now when we remove it gently, my client was happy with it, as you can see. Then after that, I proceeded on giving him a good professional mid fade. For those of you that want to learn more barbing tutorials, I will advise you to go to my channel, like, share, subscribe, and watch on how I made a mid fade on a client. The video is uploaded on my channel. Go and watch it now. After I make sure that everything is done, but I am not going to show the full cut in this channel. Now look at how it turns out to be. The hair was looking nice. Please subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Share. Goodbye.